Oh my God, I am cringing. Callie Jardine's Pilates workout style is a breath of fresh air, upbeat, energetic, and the perfect change of pace after me doing Move With Nicole Pilates for about a month. And it's not to say I don't love Nicole's workouts as well. I love her style, but I also love switching things up. So Callie's approach was just perfect for the moment. She has an app called Sweaty Studio with a free 14-day trial, so I decided to give it a shot. The app provides a beginner or intermediate workout schedule, or even one that's synchronized with your menstrual cycle. I chose intermediate and just followed the schedule, which was super easy and super convenient. Okay, so just got done with day one. First impression, that was killer. It was actually a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. She even lists all of the equipment you need, making preparation for your workout a breeze. And I love that she incorporated different types of equipment into her workout. So we used sliders, ankle weights, hand weights, resistance bands. We even did a wall Pilates routine, which was my first time trying that. So this really kept things interesting, and I felt like it leveled up my workout routine. Now, I feel what really sets Callie apart from other Pilates instructors is her positivity. And it's not to say that other Pilates instructors aren't positive. Matter of fact, most of them are very positive, but she just takes her positivity to a whole new level.
For this workout, all you need is your beautiful, amazing self.
Her affirmations and positive themes in her workouts, like her Pilates for Confidence workout, it really did leave me feeling more confident and empowered by the end of the workout. So if you're in need of a little positivity boost, I highly recommend working out with Callie.
You got it, my beautiful queens. You are strong. Tell yourself I am strong.
On day 5, I really wasn't feeling like working out, so thank God for her schedule because I didn't have to think about it too much, and somehow I feel like she read my mind because that workout was really short, and I felt like this happened a lot with her workouts. Like one day I was really stressed out and she had a Pilates for anxiety workout, so it's kind of funny how it all aligned like that. And as the days went on, I was just really loving Callie, feeling the workouts, feeling like my best self. And then came day 7. Oh my God, I am cringing just thinking about day 7's workout. Like I literally have PTSD from this workout. Let me explain. So earlier last year, I dislocated my patella, AKA my kneecap. And I did this while rolling into the splits with ankle weights on, which I know sounds crazy. And I haven't attempted the split since, so it's literally been almost a year. And then day 7, Callie makes me face all of my demons and does a splits day. Not gonna lie, I was terrified, and I can even tell in the footage how tense my body was. I was so afraid. But as traumatic as this was, I'm very thankful because part of getting over your fears is just jumping right in. And matter of fact, when I went to physical therapy for my injury, my therapist made it a point to do the exercises I was most afraid of. So Callie, I hate you for this, but I thank you for this. By the way, does she remind you of Alicia Silverstone? I'm just getting that vibe from her, and I'm also probably showing my age just by saying that because a lot of you are too young to know who that is. So by day 9 of Callie's workouts, I'm just a couple of days from my 2-month mark of doing Pilates workouts at home on a consistent basis. And at this point, I'm just really starting to notice and feel my body start to change. Like, I just feel stronger. I feel like I'm executing my Pilates moves better, and I feel like I'm starting to physically see changes in my body too. And mentally, I just feel clear-headed and I feel energetic. I feel the best I've felt in a very long time, and this may sound crazy, but it's almost like I lost my will to live through the pandemic. Like I was just sort of existing. And now I'm living my best life.